And now, your live Doppler 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Things are quiet right now. Take a look at Precision. This is the local view. You see there's those snow showers that brought that accumulating snow earlier this afternoon. They have started to wind down, and we'll zoom out and you can see there's the back edge of that snowfall, and that's moving out of the state. And off to the west, it's pretty quiet right now, at least. And we expect clouds to kind of clear throughout the rest of the night, but they will rebuild by early tomorrow morning. Right now, though, it's chilly out there, and it's only going to get chillier. But hey, look at that. It's beautiful outside and very nice sunset out there. But again, very chilly. 16 degrees the current temperature right now. Our wind's right around 7 miles per hour, and we've had gusts as high as 25 miles per hour earlier this afternoon. Now, what that means is we might have some snow blowing back on the roads, and with temperatures this cold, roads will likely start to refreeze if they're really wet in anywhere. So be careful if you have to head out tonight or tomorrow morning. Roads will be slick more than likely with these cold temperatures all across the region. Look at this, 15 in Rochester, 14 in Winamac, 15 in Rensselaer. And it's early in the evening, and on the overnight we're going to continue to drop those temperatures down. 9 right now in Fowler, 14 the temperature in Remington. Now here's satellite radar. Here's that first storm system that pushed through and dropped our accumulating snow, and you can see behind it a little bit of clearing, but it's not going to last for too long. Off farther to the west, we have a lot of energy coming in off the Pacific. Some of that energy is going to break off, and it's going to move its way through the northern United States, and it's going to hit us tomorrow afternoon, bringing us a chance for some wintry mix. Now we're going to time this out with Futurecast. You can see here's that clearing. Here's 7 p.m. We'll stay with a partly to mostly cloudy sky for most of the night. We might clear skies out even more through the overnight hours, but again, it won't last long. Here's Friday morning. Cloud cover starting to build back in on Futurecast, and that's when we expect things to really deteriorate by tomorrow mid-morning into the afternoon. Now by tonight, 7 p.m. will be right around 15 degrees. 12 by midnight, and we'll cool it down to a low of 7 degrees here in Lafayette. So that snowpack really helping for those temperatures to drop along with the clearing skies. We might be at 3 in Rochester and Winamac, so very bitterly cold temperatures. And keep in mind, the wind will keep wind chills below 0, so very dangerous cold out there. If you don't have to be outside tonight, don't go out, especially with the way the roads are likely to be later this evening. Now here's where the snow system comes in. By Friday morning, we'll time this out to about noon on Friday. Here's the leading edge of the snowfall. Now you can see Rensselaer might be seeing a few flurries or snow showers by noon, but we're going to expand to tell you exactly what's going on. We have a northern piece of energy here that's going to swing in, and also you see a little bit of pink and green down there in Missouri. That's part of southern energy that's going to kind of meet up here right across the Ohio Valley. Now what's going to happen is this southern energy is going to try to infiltrate some warm air into the upper levels of the atmosphere, and if you get that warm layer deep enough, you expect kind of a wintry mix to form in our region, and that's kind of what we expect. This is going to pull down some cold air and some precipitation. There's that pink that's showing up right there in southern Illinois and Indiana. I think that wintry mix is going to be a little farther north than it's showing here. I don't think this is going to be all snow here for our viewing area, so another dangerous situation tomorrow, very possible for the evening commute, especially later in the afternoon into the evening. Now this is what our in-house model says with snowfall. This is not going to be an all-snow event, I don't think so. I think we're going to see again with sleet, freezing, rain, these snow totals will be cut down. But just to let you know just how much precipitation we're expecting, some places up north going to see more snow than those down south. We could get a couple of inches of snow in our northern counties and our central counties. We might see some sleet and ice accumulation with some snow on top of that. And in our southern counties, mainly a sleet and snow and some freezing rain as well. Again, tonight, very bitterly cold. 7 degrees, the low for tonight, so very dangerously cold. Tomorrow, we're not going to warm it up too much. Mid to upper 20s, 27 here in Lafayette. Again, that's when the wintry mix starts to move in the afternoon hours. And the 7-day forecast, we have a pretty active pattern set up, but it'll be warmer by the end of the weekend. 45 the expected high on Sunday. Monday will be, looks like a rain day there. We might even see a few rumbles of thunder with that one. 42 on Monday. Tuesday 38 with maybe some snow showers or flurries left over. And we stay above average later on in the 7 day.